And we're back again with step 5. Rank your required and the issues under each required. If you only have one required, then you only have to rank the issues under that required. Why do you need to rank the requireds? Because your case is always time constrained, and you have to cover the most important required first, followed by the least important requireds. How should you rank the requireds? Think about the order. If there are two requireds, say financial reporting and internal controls, then the one that involves your users and their objectives is likely the most important required. In an integrated case, which includes, say, financial reporting, tax, and audit, then consider the impact of one of the requireds on the others. For instance, it's not possible for you to calculate the income tax necessary to be paid by a company if you don't have the correct financial information. And it's not possible to plan the audit if you don't understand the financial reporting information provided. So you will need to address the financial reporting issue first. Remember, if there is more than one required, you have to rank the requireds. Once you have ranked the requireds, if there is more than one, then you have to rank the issues within each required. How can you decide which issues are more important? Some triggers that might help you rank issues include some of the following. 1. It's a material amount. 2. The client is concerned or worried about it. 3. The deadline for this item is very soon. 4. A number of issues are interrelated and you need to answer one to address the other. There are other triggers which may tell you how to rank the issues, but in a time-constrained case, you must rank the issues because you may not have enough time to analyze all of them. Let's move on to step 6. Allocate time to each required and each issue. If there are multiple requireds, then you must allocate time to each of them before you move forward. Then if each required has multiple issues, you'll have to allocate the time that you gave to that required between the individual issues. It's so easy to write too much about an issue because you're comfortable with that issue and you know it well. But if you miss other issues, you will lose marks and not be successful. By allocating your remaining time to the requireds and then the issues, you are more likely to get through the majority of what is required of you in a case. Now that you have a complete plan and you know how you will attack the requireds and the issues, we'll move on to step 7, writing your response, in the next video.